Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a very spontaneous video. I did not know that I was going to be filming this, but I got a little PR drop from Cosmetix SA and I thought that it would be the perfect opportunity to actually film and unbox it for you guys and show you guys what I've gotten. So if you are new here, I'm Naeema and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this channel consists of everything, and when I say everything, I legit mean everything. It's basically like my own little variety show. But anyway, please do not forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into unboxing this little package. Lip balm. Doesn't say which shade this is. Oh, color intensifier and care. Tinted lip glow balm, one shade for all. Two packaging, I love it, it's simple. And it's got like the Catrice name all over. And then I've got Catrice lip liner. This is plumping and maxi lip. And it comes with a sharpener. And this is in the shade Polite Rebellion. I'll do like a proper unboxing later. And then I also got the Catrice, what is this? Matte Pro Ink Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick. And it says it lasts up to 12 hours. And this is in the shade 070. I am unique. And then I got the Catrice eyeshadow. And this is in the shade 020. Creamy. In that little almost and open it. With that little grey vibe. And then I've got the Catrice Luminous highlighter and blush in the shade 010. And it's actually a highlight and blush glow palette. So as you can see over there. This is the back. And then last but not least, I've got the crystallized Amethyst eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade 010, Raise Your Voice. This is cute, and that's the back. And this is the unboxing, so now we're just gonna do a quick little run through, give you an up close look of what this looks like, and then you guys will see what I got in my press drop from Cosmetix SA. Okay, so this is the lot, as you guys can see over here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. Over here, we've got the Catrice Matte Lover Lipstick Pink, and this is in the shade 040 Rose With Me Romantic. And then we've got the Catrice Lip Balm. This packaging is so beautiful. And this is in the shade at the bottom of this detail. And this is the one shade for all tinted lip glow balm, color intensifier and care. And then this is the lip plumping lip liner, plus maxi lip. As you can see at the bottom, there's a sharpener, and then obviously the product is a top. And this is in the shade 030 Polite Rebellion. And then this is the Matte Pro Ink Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick, and it says over there lasts up to 12 hours. And as you can see over there in the shade 070, I am unique. And then moving on to eyes. So this is what we got first. Little green grey vibe over here. Quite like the color for the shade. And as you can see over there, the information. Also a Catrice product. And then this over here is the Luminous highlight and blush glow palette in the shade 010. Cute little shade over there, gives more like highlight to me than blush. And then finally we have the palette, and this is called the what? Crystallized Amethyst eyeshadow palette, and in the shade 010, Raise Your Voice. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. So we go from lips to eyes. This is so cool because I can't wait to see what these two are going to look like. And that, to be honest, but yeah, let's have a look and see. So yo guys, thank you so much Cosmetix SA and Catrice Cosmetics for my press drop. I'm super excited and I can't wait to try this out over the weekend. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and stay safe. And do not forget to go and follow and subscribe to all of these brands. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.